Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Mint app. First, download Mint and link your financial accounts, like banks and credit cards, securely. This brings all your money information into one place. You'll immediately see a comprehensive overview of your finances, including balances and recent transactions, making it easy to understand your current financial standing at a glance. Next, let's set up your budget. Mint allows you to create custom budgets for various spending categories, helping you stay on track. You can also establish financial goals, like saving for a down payment or paying off debt, and Mint will help you monitor your progress. Plus, receive helpful alerts if you're nearing your budget limit or have an upcoming bill, ensuring you never miss a payment. Mint provides powerful tools to track your spending. You can view detailed reports and graphs that break down where your money goes, helping you identify areas where you might be able to save. It also offers insights into your financial health and allows you to monitor your credit score for free, giving you a clearer picture of your overall financial standing and progress. Finally, explore Mint's advanced features. You can find personalized suggestions to lower bank fees or reduce interest rates on your loans. Mint also helps you track your investments and calculate your net worth, providing a holistic view of your financial growth. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.